Looking for the best mini dumper to make heavy hauling easier and more efficient? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing mini dumpers of the year, considering capacity, power, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. YARDMAX YD8105 Track Barrow. The YARDMAX YD8105 Track Barrow takes hauling efficiency to another level with its impressive hydraulic assist system. Powered by the same Briggs & Stratton CR 956.5 horsepower, 208 cubic centimeter engine, it delivers the same rugged performance YARDMAX is known for. However, the hydraulic assist gives it a significant advantage in unloading, allowing operators to dump materials with minimal effort and precise placement. With a massive 1,100-pound capacity on level ground, this model is designed for the most demanding jobs. Whether moving stone, cement, sand, or debris, the YD8105 handles the load with ease. The track system provides excellent traction across muddy, wet, or uneven surfaces, ensuring stability even under maximum weight. Its heavy-duty transmission with 3 forward speeds plus reverse makes it adaptable for various tasks. Number 4. MechMaxx 1,100 Pounds Capacity Wheel Barrow. The MechMaxx 1,100 Pounds Capacity Wheel Barrow is a powerhouse built for extreme workloads. Equipped with a 302 cubic centimeter, 9 horsepower single-cylinder, 4-stroke OHV gasoline engine, it delivers outstanding power for handling heavy materials. The track drive allows it to navigate smoothly across varied terrains, from muddy to slippery ground, ensuring stability and control even under maximum load. This machine features a robust steel skip with a large 1,100-pound capacity and a hopper volume of 10 cubic feet, making it ideal for transporting bulk materials such as sand, stones, cement, or wood. The hydraulically controlled hopper makes dumping easy, saving time and reducing strain. Additionally, the front shovel and adjustable platform add versatility. Number 3. YARDMAX YD8203 Track Barrow. The YARDMAX YD8203 Track Barrow is another impressive machine designed for heavy-duty hauling across challenging surfaces. Powered by the Briggs & Stratton CR 956.5 horsepower, 208 cubic centimeter engine, it delivers strong and consistent performance for demanding applications. The track system ensures excellent grip, allowing it to move efficiently over wet, muddy, or rough terrain without losing stability. This model supports a load capacity of 660 pounds on level ground, making it ideal for transporting soil, gravel, wood, or other materials. The heavy-duty transmission offers 3 forward speeds and reverse, providing flexibility in different working conditions. The convertible sides are a notable feature, allowing easier loading and unloading of bulkier items, which can save considerable time during repetitive tasks. The steel construction of the hopper, frame, and handles ensures exceptional durability, meaning it can withstand years of use without significant structural wear. Despite being a rugged workhorse, the YARDMAX YD8203 is surprisingly easy to control. The stable and balanced design helps minimize tipping risk. Number 2. XtremepowerUS All-Terrain Track Barrow. The XtremepowerUS All-Terrain Track Barrow is a highly capable utility machine designed for versatility and control. Powered by a 6.5 horsepower Kohler SH 265 196 cubic centimeter engine, it offers strong, reliable performance for moving heavy loads across all types of terrain. Its zero-turn radius allows it to pivot in tight spaces without damaging the ground, making it ideal for work in confined areas. With a capacity of 660 pounds, it is well suited for carrying dirt, cement, stones, and similar materials across job sites. The track design provides excellent traction on muddy, wet, or uneven ground, ensuring stability even in challenging conditions. The transmission includes 3 forward speeds plus reverse. Number 1. YARDMAX YD8103 Track Barrow. The YARDMAX YD8103 Track Barrow earns its spot as the best pick because of its perfect balance between power, durability, and ease of use. Built for demanding workloads, It is powered by a Briggs & Stratton CR950 engine with 6.5 horsepower and 208 cubic centimeters, giving it consistent performance across various terrains. The track system provides excellent traction, ensuring stability even on wet, muddy, or uneven ground. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.